Imagine this scenario. You download a season of Black Mirror from the Pirate Bay because your friend didn't want to give you his Netflix password. You download it. Delete it immediately after downloading, because you gotta quickly remove all those evidence of your criminal activity. What you're left with are those glorious 480p, but still glorious files. And you didn't have to spend a penny. But wait a second, something doesn't seem right. Why do those names have those dots in them? And it's weird, kinda cryptic name behind the episode number. This isn't how it looked on IMDb. Well, yeah, it didn't. This weird naming scheme comes from people of The Scene, who named these files in such a way that you can determine the quality, codecs, and who uploaded it just by looking at the name. But you don't need any of that. It's just clutter that annoys you visually, isn't it? What do we do with it? Well, obviously, you download Ezra, which stands for Easy Renamer, from this page, and of course start on GitHub and follow the creator. Now you just have to open terminal in this directory and run Ezra with these args, and voila, it's now beautiful with little to none effort. So you may ask now, oh dear, that's truly amazing piece of software, how can I get that? And the answer is, well, first you have to install Rust on your computer, and on Linux and Mac OS it's pretty simple. You just paste this command into terminal and it's installed. But on Windows, well, here you have to install this 5 GB package and then run the installer. Okay, now you type cargo install Ezra in the terminal and it will get downloaded. Okay, but you probably wonder, are those two args the whole functionality? Of course not. And actually, if you wanna know what you can do with it, just type this in the command line and you'll get, well, help. Also, I'm quickly gonna go through it now so that you don't have to. Delete deletes the given phrase. Fix spaces replaces the given characters with spaces, and it's the command we used in the first example. rm tags removes anything inside given brackets with the brackets. It's very often used in anime releases. And now we get to the trimming situation. Very often you want to trim from a specific part to one side, so that's what those 4 options are for. I have trimming to the left, to the right, after and with the given phrase. With dir, you can specify a directory in which you want this program to operate.
Include ext
includes extensions in the renaming process. Recursive enables recursively going through directories. There's y, which skips asking if you want to continue and just assumes that you're sure what you're doing. And finally, there's file match. It's a positional argument, so you don't put anything before it. It's a regex expression, and files that won't match it will be skipped. For people who don't know what regex is, you can just type the text that's common between all the files you want to rename. So I guess that's all. If you have any suggestions, although this tool is not really meant to have a lot of features, please let me know in the comments. Also, you can open an issue at GitHub or just make a pull request. Thanks for watching and have a good day.